Introducing the Virnig V20 Mini Skid Steer Snowblower, the ultimate solution for all your snow clearing needs. Our blower features a robust build with 3/16 inch thick steel for the mainframe, side plates, shroud, and chute. Compare that to the thinner 12-gauge steel used by others in the industry. We also zinc plate our parts to prevent rusting and ensure longevity, whereas some competitors do not, leading to rusty components before it even throws snow. Featuring a two-stage design with the paddle-style auger, the V20 Mini Snowblower will effortlessly chew through any type of snow. Its direct drive motors with built-in pressure relief valves ensure maximum efficiency and reliability. With the recommended flow rate of 10 to 18 gallons per minute, 22-inch cut height, and 30-foot maximum throwing distance, no snow pile stands a chance. The angled auger paddles continuously feed the fan, ensuring a consistent flow for snow removal. The 3/16 inch fan housing prevents the metal around the fan from deforming or causing jams due to rocks. The thinner fan shroud on competitor models can bend over time, leading to increased downtime caused by the fan getting stuck. Experience ultimate control with a 270-degree hydraulic chute rotation and in-cab deflector control, allowing you to direct the snow exactly where you want it. A guard protects critical valves and electrical components, ensuring longevity and durability during storage and harsh winter conditions. Adjustable and reversible poly skid shoes are designed to hop over small obstructions and prevent the bottom of the side plates from getting caught on objects. The shoes help protect the surface, the blower, and help contain more snow. Many of the competitor models lack outer skid shoes, causing snow to spill over, or potentially catching a side plate, making it difficult to navigate over curbs and objects without damage. Choose from 3 different mounts to match your mini skid machine. Whether you're clearing snow from pathways, sidewalks, parking lots, or areas where larger equipment can't tackle, the V20 Mini Skid Steer Snowblower is your go-to attachment. Don't let the snow slow you down. Tackle any winter challenge with the V20 Mini Skid Steer Snowblower, designed for efficiency, built for performance.
Still want to do it all day?
Of course! I mean, I'll bring a face mask next time, but...
Just tell me where to go, I'll do this all day.
What?
It's time to get hit over there.
I was really looking for a cool shot.
You're on the good side this time.
Get her!